Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your free gift on Temu. So it's pretty simple. So right now, let's say I won a game. So I played the game called Fishland on Temu and I won it. Now over here, I can choose whichever gift I want. So let's say I choose over here where it says one set of LED curtains. I click on pick it. I click on continue, and the free gift has been added at the bottom left corner of my screen if you guys can see it. So as you guys can see, I have picked two gifts at the bottom left corner. If I want to change it, what I need to do is click on one of them. Once I click on one of them, right below them there's this option called repick. I can click on repick, and instead of that gift I can pick whichever one I like from this option. Let's say I want to pick this little necklace. I can click on pick it. I will choose the option, click and continue. Once I click on continue, the gift will be replaced as you guys can see. So that is basically how you guys can change your free gift in Temu. And once you get whichever gift you want, you can just click on confirm and those gifts will be ordered. So I hope you understand how you guys can change free gift on Temu. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.